Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin gained 0.4% against the dollar in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Aussie dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The RSI is giving a negative signal. The oil dollar pair rose 2.2% in the last session, after gaining as much as 2.6% during the session. The stochastic RSI indicates an overbought market.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
The gold market remains stuck in neutral territory above $2,000 an ounce. However, one research firm says that gold remains an important hedge against inflation and financial market risks, and the precious metal is set to rally as the year progresses. Oil prices settled higher to end last week as US Secretary of State Antony Blinken began a week-long sweep through the Middle East in an attempt to contain regional tensions stoked by the Israel-Hamas conflict. China's forex reserves totaled $3.238 trillion as of the end of December 2023, rising by $66.2 billion or 2.1% compared to the end of November, according to data released by the State Administration of Foreign Exchange.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US 3-month bill auction will be released at 15:30 GMT, the US 6-month bill auction at 15:30 GMT, the Eurozone's retail sales at 1000 hours GMT. Germany's factory orders will be released at 0700 hours GMT, Japan's Tokyo CPI at 23:30 GMT, Japan's Tokyo Consumer Price Index at 23:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.